Best Coffee Makers of 2020. Black & Decker 12 Cup Programmable Coffee Maker, Black, CM1160B. Quick touch programming, easily program the 24-hour auto brew feature so you can wake up to a fresh pot of coffee. Hamilton Beach 49976 Flex Brew Coffee Maker. Single serve and full pot, compatible with K-Cup pods or grounds, programmable, Black, 49976. 2 ways to brew: brew a full pot using your favorite grounds on the carafe side, or make a cup for yourself using a K-Cup pod or grounds on the single serve side with this 2-in-1 coffee maker. Ninja 12 Cup Programmable Coffee Maker. Coffee maker with classic and rich brews, 60 ounces water reservoir, and thermal flavor extraction, CE201, black/stainless steel. Hotter brewing technology, advanced boiler for a perfectly hot cup of coffee. Mr. Coffee 12 Cup Coffee Maker, Black. On/off indicator light lets you know when your coffee maker is on or off. Hamilton Beach 2-way brewer coffee maker. Single serve and 12 cup pot, stainless steel, 49980A, carafe. Brew 2 ways, enjoy either a single serve cup, travel mug not included, or full pot of coffee with the 12 Cuban pesos carafe. Cuisinart DCC 3200 P1 DCC 3200 glass carafe handle programmable coffee maker. State-of-the-art technology to ensure hotter coffee without sacrificing flavor or quality, programmable coffee maker, 14 cup stainless steel. Ninja 12 cup programmable brewer CE251 coffee maker. Classic or rich, each brew is flavorful and never bitter with custom brew strengths. Coffee maker, 60 ounces, black/stainless steel.